NIA has submitted a charge sheet before Special NIA Court of Manipur against two accused, including the main conspirator in the June 2023 Kwakta vehicle-borne IED blast case, in which 3 persons were injured and several public and private properties were damaged. Mohammad Noor Hussain alias Tomba alias Mohammad Noor Hassan and Senminlun Gangti alias Minlun have been charged under various sections of IPC UAP Act, Explosive Substances Act 1908 and Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984. The duo were found involved in the blast that took place on a culvert or bridge adjoining the area of Pogakchau Ikai Awang Laikai and Kwakta along Tidem Road at Kwakta Ward number 7 in Bishnupur district. It may be recalled that the explosion triggered by a bomb fitted at Mahindra Scorpio SUV took place around 7:10 p.m. On June 21, 2023, the blast damaged the bridge, electric pole, electrical assets and surrounding houses and also injured 3 persons. NIA investigations in the case led to the arrest of Mohammad Noor Hussain on October 16, 2023 and revealed that he had driven the IED-borne Mahindra Scorpio SUV and parked it over the targeted bridge at Kwakta while his co-passenger initiated the detonating mechanism of IED. Senminlung Gangte, who was arrested on 2nd November 2023, was identified as the key conspirator. As per NIA investigations, he had conspired along with other accomplices to blow off the bridge with the intent to strike terror and to cut off the movement of security forces, people and supply of commodities. To accomplish the conspiracy, Senminlun Gangte had recruited his associates for reconnaissance of the targeted area and to execute the actual explosion. Further, investigations are continuing to trace about absconding accused involved in the case.